Today we are going to make chicken pasta in white sauce, and the ingredients are for making the white sauce. We will take 2 teaspoons of butter in a pan. When the butter melts, we will add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. With the help of a whisker, whisk it nicely. We have to roast it nicely till the color of the all-purpose flour is slightly changed. We will add 2 cups of milk in it. Gradually add a little amount of milk and whisk it nicely so that no lumps are formed. Add a little more milk, whisk it. Likewise, add the remaining milk and mix it nicely. Add salt to taste. Sprinkle some oregano. Chili flakes. Some crushed black pepper. Whisk everything nicely and bring it to a boil. Add cheese and 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Mix it nicely till the cheese is completely dissolved. Our white sauce is ready. Reserve it for later. Let us quickly stir fry our vegetables and chicken. For that, heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a kadhai. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic to it. Saute it nicely. Now add 1 cup of button mushroom cut in quarters and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Our mushrooms are done. Now add quarter cup of red bell pepper, quarter cup of green bell pepper, 1 cup of shredded boiled chicken, salt to taste, some freshly crushed black pepper, Sprinkle some oregano, red chili flakes, mix everything well. Add some black and green olives, quarter cup of sweet corn, give it a nice and quick stir. Now add the prepared sauce. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of boiled pasta and mix everything nicely. We will cook the pasta for 2 to 3 minutes till it absorbs the flavors of the sauce, chicken and vegetables. It is done. Now we will transfer it to the serving dish. Our chicken pasta is ready to serve.